episode, we are bringing you the cooking of la chitutumula, the cooking of the rice, that's the big yams, which is purple and cream dotted, and then the pumpkins, and also our leafy vegetables, which are traditionally known as nakati, a little bit bitter when you taste it, and also ejobi. Those are common leafy vegetables in Uganda here. However, you're likely to meet dodo in the Uganda region as well. So we wash yams, these two types of yams, and then we prepare our saucepan with banana leaves, then we put in our yams. We also slice our pumpkin. It looks nice, doesn't it? This yellow color. Sometimes I don't see that this yellow pumpkin comes when it's the most tasty one to me, yes. And I can't wait to taste this in particular because I know it's gonna be sweet. And then we cut it, we slice it, and then we wash it also. After washing it, we are putting it on top of this food. We put it aside. For our leafy greens, for leafy vegetables, we wash them. After washing them, we put them in banana leaves. We tie them also separately in banana leaves. We are tying the jogi alone, and we are also tying the nakati alone. Then after, we put them on top of our yams and pumpkins. Then this method of cooking is steaming. We are literally steaming our vegetables. We're not like steaming them aside, but we are covering and steaming them on top of our food, so that they can also give us that actually aroma, kind of that leafy natural aroma. Yes, and after covering our food with our vegetables, our yam, we are putting it on our cooking stones and start cooking. This particular meal will cook for like an hour, and we can't wait for it to get. When it's ready, we shall show you the result. And then for our potted beef, you see what is on our table. This is what we are going to do. We're going to use in our beef. We have the garlic, small garlic, we have the onions, we have the tomatoes, we have the green pepper and the carrots. These are the ingredients for our beef. We are smoking our beef for about 10 minutes still from our cooking stones, so that it gives us that smoky aroma. So after smoking it for 10 minutes, now we are cutting the beef, we are chopping it, putting it in a pot, and then we put in water. After putting it, we put a pot to our cooking stones. While our beef is on the cooking stones, we put in all our veggies: the green pepper, the carrots, the tomatoes, the onions, the garlic. And at this point, if you added anything you feel like adding, like the spices, this one here, we're not spicy, and you just want to get the naturalness of everything today. So after putting in everything, we are seasoning, and then we get a banana leaf and we cover our pot. We are covering our pot, and then so the reason why we are covering our pot so that no steam escapes whatsoever. This beef will take like 45 minutes, and in 45 minutes, our beef will be wow. It's already dark, as you can see, and time flies. Our beef is ready, and our yams, pumpkins, vegetables, the leafy vegetables are all ready, and we can't wait until we are serving. We are the serving point. Like I told you that we don't have power where we are, so it's a bit dark. The moment we've been waiting for. Look at our potted beef. Yes, it looks nice. And in case you've come to Uganda and you've tasted this potted beef and the yams and the pumpkin, tell us how you found Uganda meals and Uganda meals as well. And in case you would want to go for cooking classes for these meals, Native Cuisine Africa is here to guide you where to go for these cooking classes and go through the whole experience you have gone through. I mean, don't you love it as well? It's so nice. It's always nice having you watch these videos. You guys mean a lot to us. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for loving Native Cuisine. On Facebook, we are Native Cuisine Festival. On Instagram, we are in Native Cuisine Africa. We're on Snapchat. And here, of course, keep sharing our videos, keep liking, and please tell us and let us know what you'd want to see, which region you'd want to see in Africa or in Uganda. What exactly would captivate your mind? We can't wait to share with you lots of things about Uganda. I remain Kenny.